Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and this is going to be an unboxing video of the HP Keyboard 100. This is from HP obviously, and you can see that it has LED indicators like every other keyboard on the planet for the locks, that is the caps lock, num lock, as well as the scroll lock. Then it's USB powered. We don't see any PS2 interfaces and we haven't in ages. Then it has 12 function keys, like again every single other keyboard on the planet. 3 hotkeys. These would be around here, so they've actually moved the scroll, print screen and pause break keys one level below, and they've added 3 buttons on top. Then you have adjustable height, which is always a wonderful thing to have. And let's flip it over and see what's on the bottom side. You will see that it's a full keyboard, 107 keys including 12 function keys. The 3 hotkeys are extra. It uses natural colors and shape. Connection is Breeze. This is plug and play, so you don't need any additional software. And HP has a standard warranty period that could always vary, so you should always check the store listing when you're buying these things. One thing we missed out on the front hand side happens to be this little thing. This keyboard comes with the rupee symbol. It's always a wonderful thing to have in this day and age for our currency to be recognized. We don't know exactly what the shortcut key will be to use the rupee symbol, and that's about it. Let's proceed with the unboxing. There you go. There you have the keyboard in all its glory, and we have 2 additional things inside. Aside from that, nothing else, so we'll keep the packaging on the side, extract the keyboard and take a look at whatever came inside. So the first little booklet happens to be the warranty and technical support numbers for HP accessories. So if at all something's going wrong or has gone wrong with your device, this is the little booklet that you should refer to in order to get support. The other one happens to be product notices. Now this would be all the certification that HP has to provide in order to sell the device in different countries, information regarding the Bluetooth radios, technologies used, if at all any others, and nothing else aside from these 2. And here's the keyboard itself. You can see it's quite the standard layout as HP mentioned. Here's the extra 3 keys, the hotkeys that he mentioned, and we can see that the rupee symbol has been added to 4, which is the standard way of doing these things. And that's about it. That was the unboxing of the HP Keyboard 100. If you'd like us to do similar unboxings of peripherals and products and whatnot, please do like and share this video, and as always, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.